a National Geographic Kids book by Shelby Alinsky. Read to you by Miss Esther from the EASD Parent Connections. Let's begin by opening our book. You can turn the page in your very own book when you hear the grizzly bear sound. Vocabulary tree. A type of animal is a bear. A type of bear is a brown bear. We're going to learn what they do, what they eat, and the seasons. Winter is over. Wake up, bear! It's spring. The days are cool. The bear is hungry. It hasn't eaten all winter. Let's eat. Berries are good. Bugs are good too. So is grass. The bear eats and eats. It eats all spring. Now the days are getting warm. The sun shines. It's summer. In summer, the bear eats lots of bugs. It eats lots of grass. There is also something special for the bear to eat. Fish! The bear eats lots of fish. Now the days are getting cool. It's fall. The bear finds a den. Shh! Sleep, bear. Your turn. Be a brown bear. Act out what the bear does in each season. What does the bear do in spring? What does the bear do in summer? What does the bear do in fall? And what does the bear do in winter? Great job reading with me today, friends. I had fun learning about bears with you. Don't forget to visit me on my EASD Parent Connections webpage for more links that go along with your book kit this month. Click on links like the National Park Service link where Miss Esther got her real animal sounds, or visit live animal cameras from zoos around the United States. See you next time.